From the 33 now. Has protection. Going deep. For Brown. Touchdown. End zone. A.J. Brown. Touchdown, Eagles.
And Hurts surfs over the top. And Wayne Johnson converted quarterback, then tight end, and then offensive tackle design run. Here for Hurts. Got a first down. Hands alone.
End zone is caught for the touchdown. Devontae Smith. It's Jacobs. Flag flies. Jacobs is brought down.
Struggled in the first half. And 18 couldn't hold on to it. DeVon Pickett. Hurts looking end zone for Smith. And makes the adjustment. Did he get? Yes, he does. Down. What a catch.
Again, Herbert had his arm hit, and he's intercepted. Adoree Jackson. Hurts steps up, rips it, end zone.